Want to link your bank account to your Western Union profile for easier online transfers or direct deposits? Connecting your bank can streamline your transactions. In this guide, I'll show you how to link your bank account with Western Union. To link your bank account, log into your Western Union online account. Navigate to your Profile or Payment Methods or Wallet section. Look for an option to Add Bank Account or Link Bank Account. You'll then be prompted to provide your bank details. This typically includes your bank name, account type, checking or savings, routing number or sort code for international banks, and your bank account number. Ensure all details are accurate. Finally, submit the bank account details. Western Union will usually require a verification process for security, which might involve micro deposits to confirm ownership. Once verified, you'll be able to use this linked bank account for sending money online or receiving direct deposits. And there you have it. Linking a bank account with Western Union simplifies transactions. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.